Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious Maths and Science tutorials. In fact, we are still treating complex numbers. If you are new here, kindly share, subscribe, like, and comment for more interesting videos and updates. Let's solve the question on the board. Show that cos x equals e to the power ix or exponential ix plus exponential negative ix all over 2. How do we go about this? This is very trivial. So the answer to this puzzle is this. We already know that from Euler's formula, we know that e to the power ix equals what? Cos x, then plus I sine x. Is that not so? So e to the power ix is equal to what? Cos x plus I sine x, right? Again, when you have e to the power negative I, then x, this is also equal to, I have my cos x over here, right? And I have plus, but you remember, negative is attached to the imaginary unit. So I have what? Like that's negative I. Remember here, the imaginary unit was what? Positive. Hence what? Positive what? Sign. Then what do I have here? I have the sign of what? X. Is that not so? So as a result of that, e to the power negative I x equals, we have cos x, then minus what? Sine what? Sine x. As simple as that. Then so e to the power negative ix gives what? I have cos x, then negative and positive. When they commute, you have negative. I have negative I sine what? Sine x. As simple as that. Now let's listen to the voice of the question. We are supposed to add this to that. Is that also? We know the expression for this term, and we also know what the expression for the other term. As a result of that, what are they doing there? What they are adding. So let's what? Let's add this and what? And that. So therefore I can say that e to the power ix plus exponential negative ix is equal to the combination of these two, right, expressions. So I have cos x, then plus I sine x, okay, this way. That's for this. Then I'll consider this. Then I have plus this, right? So I have cos x, then minus I sine x, this way. Is that not so? So therefore I can say that this is, we have cos x, then plus I sine x, then have plus cos x minus I sine x. So clearly this cancels that. So what do we have? We have exponential ix plus exponential negative ix is equal to, we have cos x plus cos x, and clearly this gives what? Exponential ix plus e then to the power negative ix is equal to cos x plus cos x gives what? 2 cos what? Cos x. Now the question we made what? Cos x the subject. So you also make cos x the subject from this what? Equation. So you divide both sides by what? 2. Here 2 by what? By 2. This cancels this. So therefore, I have what? Cos x to be equal to exponential ix, then plus exponential negative ix, all divided by 2. So we've been able to what? To show that indeed cos x is equal to that. Viewers, this is the end to this trivial question. So far as Tindanious maths and science tutorial is concerned, we are going to learn and explore. Viewers, you can also use the concept of negative angles. Okay, you can factor negative angles over here, but you also arrive at the same answer. Okay, so viewers, this is the end of the tutorial. So far as Tindanious Maths and Science YouTube channel is concerned, we are going to learn a lot, explore, stay safe, and always remember to click on the bell button to subscribe. Bye.